Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce with half and half, updated. Start by melting 4 tablespoons butter in a skillet over medium heat, then saute 2 cloves minced garlic until fragrant. Whisk in 2 cups half and half, bring to a gentle simmer. Stir in 1 to 1.5 cups grated Parmesan, season with salt and pepper, and serve over pasta with fresh parsley. Choose fresh grated Parmesan and good butter to build a rich base without heaviness. Use 2 cups half and half for creaminess while keeping the sauce lighter than heavy cream recipes. For extra stability, reduce gently or stir in a 1 teaspoon cornstarch slurry if needed, and finish with a splash of lemon and chopped parsley to add brightness before serving. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like if you're finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you sipping while you cook and fits in most cup holders for easy pasta prep. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's a small kitchen companion I use often. Your support helps me make more updated recipes and quick tips. Now let's get back to the video. Avoid high heat and rapid boiling, which cause separation and a grainy finish, and never dump cold cheese into scalding sauce. If graininess appears, whisk in a splash of warm milk off the heat until smooth. Reheat leftover Alfredo slowly over low heat with a tablespoon of butter and a little extra half and half, whisking constantly, then finish with parsley and freshly cracked black pepper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.